This demo explains how to restore a virtual machine using VSC 2.0 and how to restore VM decays associated with a VM using VSC 2.0. We'll simulate a disaster and then try to recover from that using Virtual Storage Console 2.0. So let's insert a critical fault into one of the virtual machines. I'm going to select a VM and power it down. Now I'm going to browse the data store and delete the virtual disk that's associated with the virtual machine. Now, as we attempt to power on the VM, the power on process will fail. So the VM is offline and inaccessible to you. Now let's restore the VM using the VSC 2.0. You can right-click on the VM, go to the NetApp tab, select the Backup and Recovery option, and select Restore. You will be presented with a list of backups associated with the VM. Select the backup that you want to restore from. Click on Next. You have the option to restore and restart the entire virtual machine, or you can just select the VM decays that you want to restore. You also have the option to restore the VM decay to an alternate data store. This option enables you to copy the virtual disk files to the destination data store, after which you have to attach the disks manually. Let's restore the entire VM and then restart the VM. Click on Next and finish. You can monitor the status of the restore operation from the tasks bar. So the restore operation has completed successfully and the VM is powered on. You can verify this by clicking on console. Now the same restore operation can be performed using the home view or the NetApp tab that's available on vCenter. Click on Restore. You will be presented with a list of backups. You can select the backup that you want to restore from. You can also select the data store or VM that you want to restore. So right-click on the entity and select Restore. In this case, I'm going to select the VM. You can restore and restart the entire VM, or you could just restore virtual disks that are associated with the VM. You can select the disks that you want to restore and click on the Restore tab. You can monitor the restore operation from the Tasks tab. You can also perform the same operation using the NetApp tab that's available on vCenter. And restore has completed successfully.